Hello, my name is Heidenreich. I'm from Saarland University in Germany.
Hello, my name is Kraemer from the University of Koblenz-Landau in Germany. We gathered here today to introduce you our new paper titled Innovations Doomed to Fame, Investigating Strategies to Overcome Passive Innovation Resistance, which was recently published in the Journal of Product Innovation Management.
The starting point for our research was that the incidence for successful market introduction of new products is strikingly low. More specifically, several empirical studies have pointed out that the failure rates for innovation are very high, ranging around 50%. If you take a deeper look into the literature on consumer adoption behavior, you will find out that several authors acknowledge the importance of passive innovation resistance as a strong inhibitor for new product adoption and as the main cause for innovation failure rates. Passive innovation resistance is widely seen as a consumer's predisposition to resist innovation in general. According to the main reason driving passive innovation resistance, you can further differentiate cognitive passive innovation resistance from situational passive innovation resistance. Cognitive passive innovation resistance, on the one hand, is mainly driven by consumers' inclination to resist changes, whereas situational passive innovation resistance is mainly driven by high consumer status quo satisfaction. Accordingly, effective countermeasures for both types should either address high perceived changes entailed in the adoption of a new product or high customer satisfaction with existing products. In order to find effective countermeasures for both types, we did a systematic literature review. With regard to cognitive passive innovation resistance, we found that mental simulation seems most effective in this regard. Mental simulation refers to a hypothetical usage scenario which draws the attention to the fact that the usage of a new product is not that different from the usage of an existing one. With regard to situational passive innovation resistance, we found that benefit comparison seems most appropriate in this respect. Benefit comparison compared the benefits of a new product with that of existing ones, while emphasizing that the new product features are superior to the existing ones.
To test our research hypotheses and thus the effectiveness of the two different communication strategies to overcome passive innovation resistance, we conducted an online experiment with 681 participants. In this scenario-based experiment, we used highly innovative smartphones as our research context. Thereby, communication instruments and passive innovation resistance were our independent variables. To manipulate communication instruments, we provided participants with 3 different randomly assigned scenarios in which either mental simulation, benefit comparison, or no communication strategy was used. Passive innovation resistance as a generic predisposition was measured with an established scale. As dependent variable, we measured the participants' intention to adopt the introduced innovation. To estimate whether the communication instruments reduce the negative effects of passive innovation resistance on intention to adopt, we calculated several regression-based interaction analyses.
Our online experiment produced several notable findings. First of all, our results confirm that both communication instruments, mental simulation and benefit comparison, are effective countermeasures for passive innovation resistance. Based on this finding, we can suggest that communication strategies aiming at reducing negative effects of passive innovation resistance should either help consumers in aligning in innovation with established consumption patterns, or should help consumers in recognizing the superiority of an innovation compared to existing products. Second, our findings also confirm that mental simulation is only effective in case of cognitive passive innovation resistance, whereas benefit comparison is effective in case of situational passive innovation resistance. This finding suggests that mental simulation only reduces perceived changes entailed in the adoption, whereas benefit comparison only reduces consumer status quo satisfaction. Third, our results also confirm that the effectiveness of both communication instruments increases with rising degrees of product innovativeness. This finding provides anecdotal evidence that previous findings of optimal stimulation theory are adaptable to the context of passive innovation resistance. Overall, we can say that our study provides new impetus for future research in the area of stimulating consumers' adoption behavior.
So, this is what companies can learn from our research. First of all, our results highlight that mental simulation and benefit comparison are effective instruments in reducing the negative effects of passive innovation resistance. Thereby, none of the instruments is superior per se. Instead, the effectiveness of the instruments depends on which kind of passive innovation resistance is prevalent in the respective market. If cognitive passive resistance, which stems from a user's general resistance to changes, is the main problem, companies should use mental simulation. Accordingly, communication instruments should visualize the usage situation of an innovative product by drawing attention to the fact that the usage is compatible with familiar practices and procedures. If, on the other hand, situational passive resistance, which results from high status quo satisfaction, is the main issue, companies are better off using benefit comparisons in their communications. Thereby, the superiority of the innovative product should be emphasized by comparing new product features to existing alternatives.
Overall, we hope that our findings contribute to the current knowledge on how to overcome consumers' resistance to innovation and by that help companies to reduce innovation failure rates. We hope you enjoyed our presentation and will also enjoy reading our paper in Journal of Product Innovation Management.